O Jenny, nandiyan ka pala.
Obo Joy, what a pleasant surprise.
Na-surprise ka ba? Talaga?
Oo, totally unexpecting. Pero maganda yon.
Okay. Alam mo bang matagal ko nang gustong sabihin to sa'yo?
What is it?
Alam mo bang dati na kita gusto?
Oh gosh, talaga? Alam mo ba, Bujoy, meron din akong gustong sabihin sa'yo.
Oh, ano yon?
Alam mo bang crush din kita?
Talaga? Binibiro mo naman ako eh. You're rolling the ball.
Hindi, I'm not rolling any ball. It's the truth.
Hindi nga, totoo?
Talaga.
Talagang totoo?
Talagang talaga.
Totoong totoo?
Very really.
Okay. Believe ako sa'yo. O sige, siguro alis na ako. Baka dumilim na eh. Magkita tayo ulit.
O sige, bye-bye. I don't want you talking to poor boys carrying baskets. Hampas lupa yung mga yan. Of course, we can always use drivers. Pwedeng-pwede siya. Ma, hindi ganun si Bujoy. He's not like that. You need to stop this. Hindi mo siya pwedeng makita ulit. I need not to replay myself. Is that clear? Anything else? You're not being fair. You're being judgmental about people. I hate you. Jack and Boy. Holy, holy, hoy. Sino'y mataloy, siya'y unggoy.